So hi everybody and welcome back to C++ tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 351 and in this video we continue again with our move assignment operator, and like all time here in CPP reference com in the language section we go to the classes here in move assignment operator down to the examples, and we have already talked about the struct a little bit, and we talked about the no except specifier in my last video, and in this video we concentrate now to the move assignment operator. And the nice thing about this example, we already talked about this in a similar way here on top with this example. It looks almost the same. The only difference, there are a little bit more code in it, but let's jump first here on top, and we see it is following the syntax of number 2. So let's go back to our move assignment operator. Okay, we have our return value, check. Then we have the operator overload is a equal sign, and we have the parameter list, which must be double ampersand. Okay, so far nice. We have here the declaration, and here is the definition, and we know also this part, which is just returning this operator, which with an asterisk. This means it is returning the object itself, which is here the struct A, and this is used for chaining. Okay, and what happens here with this line? So we have as already exists. This is the string as here, which was created before we call the move assignment operator, because when we create an object A, all the variables are created first, and this means here we are using an assignment here, and this was clear with this assignment operator here. But the interesting part is this one. Again, we have our std_move, which we learned is just a conversion of this one. And what is this one again? This is our other, which is our passed-in argument bound to this variable other, which is now an L value. So we need std_move to convert this other S to an R value again. And the reason why we make this is we want to use move semantics. In this case, we are using move assignment operator for the string as well, because the string itself, the class, has also move semantics, which means they have a move constructor, move assignment operator. And with this, what we have here, we can call the move assignment operator of the string S. And then we just print out that the move assignment operator was used in later examples. And we jump to the next line here. And the nice thing about this line is we already talked about it in the video with the move constructor. It's the same function. We have here a function with a return type of A, which is our struct. Okay, then we have the function argument. Again, we take in an object of our struct A, we call it small a, and then we return this here. And we jump to the struct B, and a nice thing here is it is again the same thing like our move constructor video. It is a struct B. It inherits from struct A. Again, no virtual inheritance because there is no keyword virtual herein. And we have again just a string and int in it. And like in the move constructor, almost the same rules goes for the move assignment operator. You can see the compiler will create a move assignment operator if the requirements met, and in this case, yes, the requirements met. So you have to check here the requirements and all this kind of stuff. Then it will go to the next call when it is used. Then it will call a move assignment operator, and then calls as the choose move assignment operator, because we talked about this one as well. This is a class, and the string class itself has also move constructor or move assignment operator, and if it's available it can call it. And this one we talked also about this non-class versions, they have this special copy. It is called a bitwise copy, but don't make the mistake to confuse it with the regular copy. This bitwise copy is a very internal copy compared to the normal copy. And we are jumping to the next struct, our struct C. Again, we inherit from B this time, and again no virtual keyword here, so It's not a virtual inheritance, also no virtual function keyword because we have no function at all, but we have again the destructor, and this one we talked also about it. If there are some conditions which break the implicit move constructor, or in this case the move assignment operator, and one condition is this one. If this one is present, you should write the move assignment operator yourself as a programmer, and the move constructor as well if it's needed. And then we jump to the next struct, and you can see again struct D inherits it from struct B, and in this case they provided a constructor and again our destructor like here, which would normally prevent the implicit move assignment operator, but again they avoided this one to create a custom move assignment operator here, and they use the word default, and you can see this one will then create again the implicit move constructor, which is important because we inheriting from B, and B can then call here also the implicit move assignment operator. And when we watch this now a little bit more in detail, you see there are special rules like this one or like this one, which requires that you understand all this one, and that is a little bit complicated. So to make it a little bit easier for the programmer, there are the so-called rules of 350, and I think even they extended this one. There are even more rules now. We will talk about the rules in another video, but basically the rule says, when we jump to our example, if you have provided any of these other constructors, not included a normal constructor, like here the copy constructor, the move constructor, or the copy assignment operator, or the move assignment operator, or even the destructor, then you should normally, if one of this is provided, you should also write yourself all the other constructors in struct or class as well. And again, we have talked all about these examples here in another video when we talked about the move constructor, and the move assignment operator is all similar to the move constructor. That's why I went here fast through, and with that said, in the next video we will start with these examples here. So if you have any questions, like all time, write in the comment section. See you next video. Bye and good luck.